Canada goose. This species was originally introduced into Britain as an ornamental bird in the 18th century, but it is now found wild in many parts and is the only black goose to be found inland, grazing, like the grey geese, on marshes and pastures near lakes and meres, nesting in small colonies. It can be recognised by its size. It is the largest goose in Europe. Its brown plumage, black head and neck with extensive white cheeks, and its loud trumpeting honk in flight, distinct from other black geese calls.